wants to transfer the files from an iPhone or an iPad to Windows PC, then it's a really very difficult task, because in Mac or other Apple products you find AirDrop option is there, but in Windows there is no AirDrop option. Then how we transfer the files? Because you take the photos or you edit the videos on an iPad, now you can transfer the files from iPhone or iPad to Windows PC or laptop in the same way as AirDrop. How we can do that? Let us see in this video. Now there is an application. With the help of this you can do like AirDrop. The application is Airdrop. Airdrop is for Android as well as iPhone or iPad. There is a client application for this, and that is Airdrop. You can install that application into your PC. After installing that application, you need to log in with the same account in all the devices in which you are using Airdrop. After logging into each device, you can transfer the files. Here you can see I am using my iPad to edit videos, and after editing all these videos I need to transfer the files. So I open Airdrop in my PC, and you can see it here. There is an option iPad, and same thing I am going to open in my iPad or iPhone, whichever you are using. You need to open Airdrop application in your iPad so that you can transfer all the files. It will search nearby devices, but myself is connected to all the devices with my account, so I am going to my devices, and you can see it here. Airdrop desktop is shown here. If it is not shown here, then you need to log in with the same account on all the devices. Let me open this Airdrop, and from here you can select photos or files which you want to transfer. I need to transfer this video file. Recently I produced this file and I'm going to transfer this, and now you can see it here. It is 1.3 GB and the transfer rate is very high, that is in MBs 1.6 or 1.7 MB. And I think this is a quite good option. This is not only for iPad, you can do the same things in your iPhone also. So use this application and transfer all the files as myself is transferring from my iPad to my PC. In the same way you can do also. If you like this video, then click on this like button. If you don't like this video, then press twice dislike button. And if you want regular updates from this channel, then click on subscribe button and press notification icon also. So this was all about for this transferring of file from your iPhone or iPad to your Windows PC. Thank you very much.